Hi, today we are going to see rules for drawing images formed by convex lens. Rule 1. Whenever you have the convex lens, there will be one line called optic axis, which is passing through optic center. So here all the rays coming from infinite body will be always parallel to the principal axis. This is also called as principal axis. The black line we call it as principal axis, and the red line shows the light rays emerging from an object which is lying at infinity. So all the lines emerging parallel to the principal axis will get focused at F. So one thing you should understand, if the light rays comes on the top of the tip of the lens, it will bend towards down. If the light ray emerging from object touches the tip here, it bends towards up. When the light ray, if it is passing through optic center, it will be straight. I have not mentioned in red line, but this optic axis can also be taken as the light ray. Now rule 2, whenever a light passes through the top of the lens, it always bends towards focus. It is partially up. First one, rule 1. So whenever a line is parallel to principal axis, the ray will bend towards the focus. Third, rule 3, whenever the light ray passes through optic center, it will not get deviated. So today we are going to see all these terms practically to make you understand how it works with the lens. Here I got two lenses combined in a single frame. One is shorter lens, another one is bigger lens. Now I am going to show how the light bends according to the rule 2 and 3. See, now I am putting the line. I am using the smaller thing, lens. I am moving towards right. The light is getting reflected towards left. Similarly, when I move towards left, it is going towards right. So it is vice versa. So moving rightward towards left, image towards left, it goes right. I am going to try with the bigger area. From when I move towards right, the image goes left. When I move towards left, the image goes right. So it is understood that the light is bend other than optic center. See, when I keep it in optic center, the movement does not change. So I want to show it in this fashion. Okay. Now I am showing in the light off mode. When the light moves towards right, the image moves towards left. And left, the source goes left, the image goes right. Similarly with the bigger one, moving right, the image goes left. Moving left, the image goes right. Right, left, right, left. So by this you have understood the basic concepts. Lights on. Now we are going to do UV method. What is U? U is the distance between the, I am going to take torch as a source, right? So it has got mesh with this. I am going to do all experiments with our day-to-day useful activities available at our kitchen. So this is going to be a source, but it is a white light. It will have 7 colors. So it will be very little difficult to get the view. We should in lab purpose they will use only monochromatic lights, but here we are using white light to make you understand. Okay, now I am going to use this light, white light, to get the value. So this is a source and this is going to be mesh. So this is going to be added to get the mesh, and the screen is going to be the whiteboard is going to be our screen. Now I am applying it. So you are not getting any clear image. Now I am using the lens, and this is the source and this is the lens. Now I move it slowly. So see this is our image. This part is our image. I am going slowly from left to right. The image is getting blurred. When I move towards right, the image is becoming dark and mesh is becoming dark, and finally it becomes blurred. So in between these two regions I have to get it, and approximately keep this as my pointer. So here the image is somewhat clear, and the distance between these and the source, the lens and the source, is called as U, and this one is measured as V. From lens to screen is measured as V. Now from U to this is U and this is V. That is, from source to lens is U and from lens to screen is V. So by doing like this, we get the UV method. I hope you understood the basic concepts in doing the UV method. This is how. So you can change the screen level either by moving the lens, by differentiating them, by keeping the lens at fixed point. Accordingly you have to adjust the screen here. I have done only one experiment reading. You can change the value keeping the source as permanent and keeping this lens movable, and you can vary the U method, U value, and you can move the screen accordingly to get the V value. By this method you can find the focal length of the given convex lens. I hope you understood. If you do the same experiment at your home, please do it with your parents' help. Without parental guidance, do not do anything, because certain things you may do it at the risk of taking big electricity line. I have done with the torchlight, which is safety for the purpose, right? I hope you understood the concept. You can share this concept to all your friends through any mode, through WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever it may be, and please put your comment on your comment box if you have any doubts, or if you want to get anything to be passed to me, you can put it as comment. Thank you.